So this rear window glass struts, both of these have kind of failed and it is not holding up. As you can see, the glass just drops. Sometimes it holds a little bit. So I have ordered these new from Amazon, I think around $25. The original was $45 each, whereas the one which I got from Amazon is $23 or $24 for both. I'm not sure whether they will last as long as these did. These lasted almost 9 or 10 years. So I'm going to replace these and let's see how it goes. The first step is trying to keep it propped open, and for that I'm using this piece of wood. Hopefully it will stay stable like this. Then I'm going to remove these struts, and it is easy to do that. This clip needs to be pried off, and then this needs to be pried off in this direction. I'll show you how to do it, and it is the same on all corners. Smaller screwdriver, and probably this is bigger than, oh no, it will work. So this has been removed, and now hopefully this will come off. Yeah, it has come off. The same goes true for the top side. Remove it and bring in the new strut. So I have removed it from the top edge also. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like from the top side. The same clip here. So now I'm going to install. So these are the new ones which I got from Amazon. The brand is Boxy. Let's install these. This has been done, so do it on the top side, install it there. Okay, yeah, done. So this is the last clip which I am installing. Done. This is done. So instead of using the clips which came with this strut, replacement strut, I have used the original clips from the previous original struts because those are easier to put on and this off. Completes the job. Let's see if it is working fine. Yeah, it's working fine. It's a little stronger than the originals, but it's working fine. Thanks for watching.